And we are back, Design Legends! A massive welcome back, everyone, to the final and most crucial part of our SolidWorks Spinner project. I'm absolutely thrilled to be finishing this design with you all. But before we begin, if you're enjoying this series and want more brilliant tutorials, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Done it? Brilliant! Right then, in this video, we're taking our design to a whole new level. We'll be fitting the sleek central caps and then bringing this model to life with stunning colors and materials that will make it look photorealistic. By the end of this video, you'll have a professional spinner ready to show off. Are you ready? Let's do this! And that's a wrap. Just look at that masterpiece. Check out this beauty, a professional spinner design complete from start to finish. Not only have we finished a brilliant project, but we've also mastered advanced assembly techniques and learned how to truly bring our designs to life with colors and appearances. I truly hope you've enjoyed this design journey. If you found this video helpful, it would mean the world if you could give that like button a click. It really helps us out. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is your chance to join our design family and ring that notification bell so you're the first in line for our next projects. A massive thank you for watching, and until next time, happy designing!